Hello there, welcome to Easy English Challenge number 20. Here is another story for you to help improve your reading and listening skills. Welcome to our reading and listening challenge. In this segment, you'll hear a short passage read aloud. As you listen, try to focus on understanding the main ideas, key details, and vocabulary. After listening, test your comprehension with a few questions or discuss what you learned with a friend. Ready to sharpen your English listening and reading skills? Let's get started. Today's story is about the desk plant that made a difference. Ethan worked long hours at his desk, often feeling drained and overwhelmed. One day, a colleague gifted him a small succulent plant for his desk. At first, he didn't think much of it. But over time, he found himself looking forward to watering the plant and watching it grow. Its little green leaves brought a touch of life to his otherwise busy and gray workspace. Ethan noticed that taking a few moments each day to care for the plant helped him recharge and relax. It reminded him to take care of himself too, even amidst his workload. Soon, he started adding small breaks into his day, and his stress levels began to improve. That tiny plant became a symbol of balance, reminding him that even small things can make a big difference. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and share so others could get the benefits as well. We have more videos coming up. Stay tuned.